What is wholesaling? Wholesaling is buying something at a great price, often in bulk, but not always, and then selling that product, item, or service at a good price to someone else. You simply buy low and sell high, and you make a profit from the spread. My name is David Dodge, and I specialize in wholesaling real estate and investing in rental properties. Wholesaling, when it comes to real estate, is really a marketing business. Our business is marketing and our product is real estate. Let me say that one more time. Our business is marketing and our product is real estate. If you want to learn how to make money wholesaling real estate or flipping houses in general, then you really need to learn how to become an expert at marketing. There are 5 key components to wholesaling a piece of real estate. Those components are, number 1, marketing. Number 2, making offers. Number 3, securing those properties via contracts. Number 4, selling those contracts. And number 5, closing the deal and getting paid. Now, when it comes to marketing, you can't keep your business a secret. The first and most important component to wholesaling is marketing. And if you are not telling people that you are buying properties, how on earth are they going to know? One of my favorite quotes is, "You can't keep your business a secret." To get started, the first thing you should do is to literally just say, "I am a real estate investor." Say it to everyone you meet. Put it out there on Facebook, put it out into the world. But just say, "I am a real estate investor. I buy houses." It's that simple. There is no reason to keep it a secret. It's also a mindset shift. The moment you start calling yourself a real estate investor or tell yourself that you buy houses, opportunities start to pile up. You can't think to yourself, "I'm trying to get into real estate," or "I'm thinking about buying houses." Instead, you must say, "I am a real estate investor." When you've convinced yourself this is who you are and what you do, it is much, much, much easier to get the word out. Marketing is the core component of wholesaling. You have to market and get your marketing out there. You have to get your phone ringing. If your phone isn't ringing, then you don't have a business. There are dozens of different ways to market, all of which will be discussed in future videos. However, we have found through experience that bandit signs, online ads, driving for dollars, and direct mail work the most consistently for us. Anywhere from 70 to 90% of the deals done by other wholesalers in the country are also from the same types of marketing. The bottom line is that you need to get the message out that you buy houses. Your marketing needs to be directed at finding motivated sellers or people that need to sell their house fast and often for cash in a hurry. How do you market yourself is super critical. You need to start looking for really great deals on property all the time. As an investor, we are happy to trade our money for property if we can get it for less than it's worth to the rest of the market. We are looking for someone that is in a distressed situation and we are helping them. We are providing them and our end buyers with a win-win situation on every occasion. Later, we're going to talk and we'll include some case studies about how we've helped people get out of some very, very tough situations and how ethics plays a vital role in this business. We have actually had sellers hug us at the closing table, and other sellers will send us Christmas cards every year as a thank you for helping them out of an undesirable situation. The next key step in wholesaling is making offers. You need to make a ton of offers. You are not going to get good deals without making offers. It's that simple. Real estate is a numbers game. We make as many offers as possible. We set our goals high, and we typically, me and my partners, each make between 5 and 10 offers every single day. You heard that right, between 5 and 10 offers a day. This should set off 2 bells in your head. 1, you must be doing a hell of a lot of marketing to make that many offers a day. Well, there's a lot of opportunity out there. And yes, we do a lot of marketing every day. So we have a lot of opportunities that come across our desks. Again, I can't stress this enough. If you are not making offers, you are not going to get deals. This really isn't rocket science, guys. This is a hustle. I have never met with you, but I know that as long as you aren't an idiot who's had a lobotomy, you can do this too. So keep focused, work hard, and make offers and stay with it. As legendary internet marketer Dr. Glenn Livingston says, the name of the game is to stay in the game until you win the game. You do not have to be a genius. Heck, you don't even have to have a high school diploma. You just need to implement what you're going to learn in these videos and take action every day. Consistent action wins every time. The next component to wholesaling real estate would be securing the property via contracts. You present an offer to the seller, they accept it, and you sign a contract with them. You now have the property under contract. Contracts are crucial for you to gain control of a property. You have to have a property under contract, and then you have what's called equitable title or equitable interest in that title. This gives you the legal ability to then market that interest, or in other words, that contract, or in even other words, that property. One of the most common rookie mistakes I see is people trying to market a property that they do not have under contract or don't have equitable interest in. Not only is this going to make you look like a fool, it may cause legal action against you as well, and you're going to get burned. So I'm telling you right now, do not do this. Instead, you want to be in touch with the seller directly. Much better approach. So I know doing your first wholesale deal can seem scary and overwhelming. I know that it takes some balls to put a property under contract when you don't have any cash or a buyer lined up. But trust me, I'm going to show you how to take the risk out of this and put properties under contract with CYA clauses. Now listen up, because this is an important concept to understand. In wholesaling, you're not actually selling a property. You are selling a contract, okay? It's easy to forget that we're actually selling contracts here, but you're not selling the property. Now note, in the case of a double closing, which can happen in the same day or even a different day, you are selling the property. But we'll get to that in more detail in future videos. For the sake of an assignment, you don't sell the property, you sell the contract. So the fourth component is selling your interest in the property. And this could be a contract to purchase the property or the actual property itself. To do this, you need to learn how to build a buyer's list. And we'll discuss buyer's lists in future videos as well. But to find out who buys in your area, what you're wanting to do is you're wanting to find out who's buying and how often they're buying. You have to get out there and you have to start networking with other real estate investors and learn from other people in your local market and figure out what's working for them. The most important part of closing the deal is finding a good title company. Unfortunately, not all title companies are created equal. You have to shop around a little bit to find one that is especially suited to handle wholesale transactions. A good question to ask is, are you familiar with double closes? Okay, wholesale transactions don't always go smoothly, so having a good title company in your corner is critical. Having a good attitude is also critical. This business can throw curveballs at you, so it is important to have a good attitude and roll with the punches. Attitude is everything. To recap on what is wholesaling, our business is marketing and our product is real estate. Real estate is a numbers game. If you're not going to, be making a ton of offers, then you're not going to be getting deals. It's that simple. Getting a deal under contract gives you equitable title and allows you to market that property or the interest in that property for sale. Networking with other investors in your area and finding out what they're buying is also important, and it's worth your time to shop around for a title company that's experienced with wholesaling. Action items. Go to meetup.com and search for a real estate investment association or club. Sign up and go to one of these meetings. You can meet all the wholesalers in your market. A quick intro could be, hey guys, my name is, insert your name, I'm getting into this business, I'm not going away, so let's get some lunch. Don't look at other wholesalers or investors as being competition. Consider other wholesalers as being strategic partners. It is possible you can leverage their marketing efforts and they can leverage your buyer's list or vice versa. What do I mean by leveraging their marketing efforts or your buyer's list? Well, if another wholesaler has a lead on a good property and you have a buyer for it, then you can partner up and do the deal together. You can do more deals by working together and finding win-win situations. I promise you, I do a ton of deals every year with other wholesalers.